Hello guys, you welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Adekunle. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a perfect flawless glam for the festive season. Yeah, this is me showing you my YouTube bottle. Yes, and I went first into my primer, and now I'm going into my foundation. I'm mixing the NYX foundation and the L'Oreal True Match foundation together to achieve my perfect shade. Right now I'm using a damp beauty blender to apply it on my face, and let's remember guys that you apply first on the side of your face before jumping to the next side, so that your foundation can easily go through all areas of your face, so it can cover it up. And also, you don't need too much of foundation on your forehead. Just the little you have on your beauty blender is enough to go on your forehead, and I'm using that all over my face, and you can see the radiant finish guys. It looks just like my skin. Yes, this is what you want to achieve. Once I'm done with this, I'm going into my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm using that to highlight the under of my eyes, that's underneath my eyes, and I'm going to go into the second side too. I don't want it to be too bright. There are some people that are suckers for really bright under eyes. I like it sometimes, but I believe for the festive period you want to do something that still makes you look natural, and that is what I am trying to achieve here. And yes, I am trying to make sure that my under eyes are perfectly done, and you can see it blends seamlessly. Now I'm going into my setting powder, and I'm using my L'Oreal setting powder. I'm using that with a face pad under my eyes, and everyone should actually get this face pad because really it eases everything you need to do. It makes it really easy for you to get into the inner corners of your eyes. So if you don't have this, you are sleeping on a bicycle. Please make sure you get it. So once I am done doing this, I'm going to pat it on my chin and also on my forehead. Even though I did not highlight it, if you notice, I don't say I need to highlight my forehead and my chin anymore. I just feel like I need that natural glow finish at all that points. Now I'm going into my Maybelline powder. It's the Fit Me powder in Truffle, and I'm using that all over my face to get my perfect shade. I'm using a bit on my forehead too, just to make sure that I look the way I should look, as natural as possible. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my bronzer. It is a glam bronzer in Prodigy. I'll just be using that to a little bit contour and bronze my face. Contour my face in the sense that I'll be using it on parts where I want the light not to put so much focus on, and bronze in the sense that when the light hits the place, that place shines, and it shines in a very nice beautiful way. And that's what I am still doing here. I'm using that on the sides of my chin. And right now I'll go into my blush palette, which is the V Beauty Girls Night Out blush palette. I'll be using the pink shade on my cheekbones to make sure I look good. Right now, a girl has to eat. I was starving, but I still needed to do my makeup, so I'll be going straight into my nose. I'll be using the dark powder. That's the bronzer I used, the glam bronzer in Prodigy. I'll be using that on the bridge of my nose and also on the sides of my face. So I'll be using that on the eye crease of my face, just to make sure that I have a perfect base for my eyeshadow, and also my nose is pointed in its way. Now I'm going into my brows. I'm using my brow gel on my brow just to make sure it slips before I start drawing the brows, and that is what I am trying to achieve right now. I'm using the brow gel. You have to use the brow gel generously on your brows so that it slips properly. And now I'll be going into another setting powder, which is the Beauty by AD setting powder. So guys, now I have fallen in love with using different setting powders. It just has this finish that it gives to your makeup. Instead of using powders, normal mineral powder or pressed powder, just go into different setting powders. You will love it. So right now, straight into my eyeshadow, I'm using the Blossom African eyeshadow palette. I'm using the pink in it. Yes, I'm using it on my eyelid. There was no need to use an eye primer because the eyeshadows in it are really pigmented. You can see the way it's gliding on my face. Like, I don't need a primer to add more grip to it. So once I am done with this, I am blending it with the colors I have on my eye crease, just a dark brown, yes, so that everything blends together. And once I am done with this, I'll add a bit of black to it. I don't know if you can notice the black is there, but I don't want it to be too strong, because if you notice, you have to be careful with the way you use black. If not, there's tendency that everything you have done will just look dark, extra dark, and I don't want that to happen. So this is why I'm trying to blend it at the side. And once I am done, I'm using my setting powder to neaten the sides so that that V shape I'm trying to create can come up. Right now I'm going into my brows. Remember that we used the brow gel first, so after the brow gel I'll be going into my pencil, and I'm using the Maybelline pencil. I'm using that to just fill in my brows lightly. I don't want to do too much. If you know me, I don't do too much on my brows, and I'm doing that on the second side. Guys, if you are still watching up till now, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. And now I'm still filling my brows. Yes guys, it takes a long time. That is why I like doing my brows last, because of the time it takes. So right now, I used a black gel eyeliner on my brows. There's a method to it, but I think I will need to make a video or a tutorial concerning that. So if you want to see that, just let me know. I'll give you a detailed eyebrow tutorial. And right now I am concealing my brows, so just trying to make sure the angles are sharp at each sides. Yes, so if you want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, please just drop your comments. I'll be ready to do that and give you what you need to see. So right now I am blending the concealer I used under my brows. Yes, you don't want a demarcation between the concealer, the eyeshadow and your brows, and that is why I'm using that brush there. And now I am dusting the excess setting powder under my eyes. I'm dusting it gently, and you can see it gives that there's this yellow, still beautiful finish is giving my face. By the time I'm done, you see it. Now I'm setting my face with the Kiss Beauty setting powder. I said setting powder, setting spray. Yes, this setting spray is my OG. If you know me, you know I've been using this for years. I can't count the bottles I have used right now. And now I am lining my lips with the Maybelline pencil. So if you have a brown pencil, don't hesitate in using it as your eyebrow pencil and your lip liner pencil. It just works magic. And I'm going to the Beyond Beauty lip stain in orange, and now I've applied a gloss. There's this gloss I'm really loving right now. That's the Zikel nude lip glosses. They are really nice, but the pink I use now is the adventure lip gloss. And right now I'll be fixing my lashes. If you know me, lashes is the last thing I like to fix, but this festive period we have to look fab, we have to look really beautiful. So I'll be fixing my lashes. And if you don't know how to fix your lashes, I have a video and I'll be linking that to my description box below. So now that I am done with my lashes, I'm trying to check up everything I have done, and I'm applying extra blush. You know, blush just makes your makeup look yummy, and I really like that. So I am adding extra blush to it, and also trying to dust off excess powder on my face. My brother stepped in, that I was really smiling. And after this, I'm just trying to give finishing touches to everything I have done to make sure my face looks really good. And now I'll be going into my finishing spray, which is So Pro Silly Spray, to lock my makeup for 24 hours. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my Nuban Glow, which is Nuban Glow in Mehn. And right now I'll be going into my Zaron mascara to just lengthen my lower lashes. And right now your baby girl
this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the process. Until next time, ciao.
I tried styling my hair again to give a different look, and yeah, I think I like it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.